it's your girl Anna Bless, and today I'll be coming to you with this look. So guys, I'm rocking this nice looking kinky curly hair from Aliexpress, and it's a 18 inch, 22 and 20. So 18, 20 and 22 inches. And I am loving it. If you are interested to see how I install and style this hair, tune in. Hello to all my beauties, it's your girl Anna K, and today, as you can see, I have this nice beautiful kinky curly lace frontal in my hands about to be installed. So just sit back and relax and watch me install this here. So this is the hair, guys. It is all laid and, you know, looking fabulous, as you can see. So we are going to style it. So we're using a spray bottle with some water to kind of define the curls.
I know you don't love me like you say you do. I know you don't love me like you say you do. I know you don't love me like you say you do. I don't care.
Another day to live through.
My God, people, look at this. Look at this. This is what you call laid to the gods. Oh my God. I am loving this here. Look at that. Installed by yours truly, Anna Blessed. Yes. Look at that, guys. OMG. I'm having an OMG moment right now because, yes, people. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Okay, beauty mamas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.